Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the first half of the English alphabet is written in reverse order, then find the 20th letter from the right. Now, there are total 26 alphabets in English. So, first 13 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. These 13 are written in reverse order. That means instead of writing A over here, A will be over here. So written in reverse order. And rest of the 13 alphabets are as it is. Of the 13 alphabets are over here. Now it is asked which is 20th letter from the right. Now here are 13 letters from right. So this one will be 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th letter will be over here. Let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So from this we can say that G is the 20th letter from the right side. So answer is option B.